Hey, what's up? This is Jared with the Daily App Show. Today we're going to take a look at TallyZoo, which is a $1.99 application for your iPhone. Now, this application extends a website, TallyZoo.com, which of course is the #1 website for keeping track of different things, simple one-click tracking. So whatever you are keeping track of, basically keeping tallies on, you can do through their website. And then of course now with the application on the iPhone or iPod Touch, you can keep track of all this stuff on your mobile device as well. So very customizable, very easy. You have your little buttons right here. Of course, you can have several rows and columns of those, and it's unlimited the amount of these that you can keep on your device. So as you continue to add these, you can move them around just like you would move around an app on the iPhone. You could simply hit edit and they start to wiggle, and of course you can move them around and reorder them just like that. If I tap on one of them one time, I can go in and edit them. So this one's called Numbers of Times That I Cuss While Writing Code, because I'm a web designer and when things don't work, sometimes I say stuff. So I can edit the name here. I can also change the color of that tab. I could add a note to that so that way I can remember exactly what that means. That's a good thing to have when you're adding multiple tallies for different things. I can have it show the badge. I can have it be public on the website on TallyZoo.com or set it to private. I can set an initial value, a default increment, and have it count up or count down. So you can actually use this to keep track of something, which means, every time it happens, you're tapping. Also, if you need to deduct, so say only 100 people are allowed into said event, you can set it at 100 and have it count down, and that's cool as well. So very easy to use and set these up as individual tally items. So all I need to do is tap on one. So I just added one more increment to the app demos. I'm keeping track of my app demos. So it's very easy to do that in the iPhone here. And then of course I could tap on graphs, which brings a nice little graph display of the increment in app demos over time. So as you can see, I have it set to all right here, so it's showing the date down below. It's showing my graph slowly incrementing up, and then it shows 3 marks for today because I've done 3 of those today. And so I can also tap on number of times the other one and see that increment as well. Then it shows the time down there at the bottom because I've tapped on it several times today. So very cool. And of course I could sync all of these. I could tap here and see all of the increments as well, the initial value, what it started out as, and the times and dates of all of those taps as additional information. And then of course all of this stuff syncs with the website. Under the sync tab right here, you'd enter your account information. If you don't have an account, you could sign up for a free account. This is free. So if I wanted to sync it, I could just go ahead and tap sync, or every time I launch the app, of course, it goes and syncs as well. More just has some basic information, also allows me to clear data off of my phone if I wanted to clear all of the data and maybe sync it with another account, or just clear it out. That does not clear the data on their website, so you would want to go to TallyZoo.com to take a look and clear that out. What's cool about TallyZoo.com is that there are really nice flash-based graphs, a nice dashboard for kind of like easy at-a-glance reporting. You can combine activities and compare them, create charts, bar, pie, column, line graphs, all kinds of different stuff, and customize them to show the data that you want. There are privacy controls. You can let people comment on them. You can integrate your comments with Facebook and Twitter and all that stuff. So this is very cool. This also would work, for different reasons, like, say you're keeping track of your fitness goals, your dieting. Gosh, you could use it for anything. They even have some things like moms and pregnant women using it to, kind of keep track of breastfeeding and different baby stuff, maybe the amount of, you could use it as a kick counter. I know there are some standalone apps that do that. Well, why not do it with TallyZoo? And then of course you can integrate with online and use one of the little embeddable things that they're going to be coming out with, the widgets and or badges, and put it on your website or something like that. So there are so many things that you're going to be able to do. I would recommend you go over to TallyZoo.com and see what they've got going on over there. It's a very nice website, very easy to use. And then of course get the app for $1.99 in the App Store so that you can start using and keeping track of things on your mobile device. So TallyZoo, TallyZoo.com, get the app today. Take care, and we'll see you next time on the Daily App Show.